Hi, I'm Jason Galbraith with the Mayer-Harman real estate team, and today I'm coming to you from Alliston. Alliston is a bustling bedroom community. It has a very cute downtown core. It's a family-friendly location flush with natural heritage features and recreational pursuits. It's only 15 minutes from the 400. Easy for you to get up north for your weekend getaways or head down south for your daily commute. Welcome to 274 Church Street North. This 5-bedroom house contains 2 primary en-suites and features over 3,000 square feet of above-grade square footage. It's nestled at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac and is a great family home for a multi-generational family or a growing household. Why don't we take a look? Thanks for tuning in for the video tour of this must-see property. If you would like to know more or come see it for yourself, contact the Mayer-Harman team. We'd love to see you check it out.